In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an expense in Splitwise. If you've ever added the wrong amount, chosen the wrong person, or simply changed your mind about a shared cost, knowing how to remove an expense properly will keep your balances clean and accurate. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, open your web browser and go to the Splitwise website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can see your groups and expenses. If you're not already signed in, enter your usual login details and wait for your dashboard to load. Once you're in, you should see your recent activity and a list of groups you're part of. Next, we're going to go to the Groups section. This is where Splitwise organizes your expenses by category, such as trips, households, or friend groups. Look for the list or sidebar that shows your groups and click on the specific group that contains the expense you want to delete. Taking a moment here to confirm you're in the correct group can save you from editing the wrong expense later. After you've opened the right group, you'll see a list of all the expenses shared within that group. Scroll through the list and find the exact expense you want to remove. It might be helpful to check details like the description, the amount, and the date to make sure it's the correct one. When you've found it, click directly on that expense. This will open a detailed view, usually on the right side of the screen, showing who paid, who owes, and any notes that were added. Now look carefully at this expense details panel. On the right side, you should see a delete icon. This is often represented by a trash can or a similar symbol. Click on that delete icon to start removing the expense. Splitwise may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it, since this action can change what everyone in the group owes. Read the confirmation message, and if you're sure, go ahead and confirm. Once you've done that, the expense will be removed from the group, and everyone's balances will update automatically. That's all you need to do to delete an expense in Splitwise.